सो हे गाइस, वेलकम बैक। आज हम पढ़ने वाले हैं क्लास 6 एसएस चैप्टर नंबर 11 लैंडफॉर्म पार्ट 3। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, ट्रू और फॉल्स। नंबर 1, हिमालयस इज अ फोल्ड माउंटेन, ट्रू। सेकंड नंबर, एंड्स माउंटेन रेंज इन नॉर्थ अमेरिका इज अ फोल्ड माउंटेन, फॉल्स। थर्ड नंबर, रॉकी माउंटेन ऑफ नॉर्थ अमेरिका इज अ फोल्ड माउंटेन, ट्रू। फोर्थ नंबर, अ फोल्ड माउंटेन इज ऑल्सो नोन एज अ हॉर्स, फॉल्स। Fifth number, empty India of India is a rock mountain, true. Sixth number, empty Sapta of India is a volcanic mountain, false. Seven number, a volcanic mountain has a conical shape, true. 18 number, empty Fujian of Japan is a volcanic mountain, true. 9 number, empty Visvesva of India is a volcanic mountain, false. 10 number, empty Girnar of Gujarat is a volcanic mountain, true. 11 number, empty Aravalli of India is a block mountain, false. 12 number, empty Eastern Ghat in India is a residual mountain, true. 13 number, Aravalli and Pavagar mountain in India are volcanic mountain, false. 14 number, the Tibetan plateau is a Piedmont plateau, false. 15 number, the Mongolian plateau is an intermountain plateau, true. 16 number, the Patagonian plateau in South America is a continental plateau, false. 17 number, the Piedmont plateau is situated in USA, true. 18 number, the Malwa plateau of India is a Piedmont plateau, true. 19 number, the Brazilian plateau is a continental plateau, true. 20 number, the precious minerals are found from Chota Udaipur plateau of India, false. 21 number, the Ganga Yamuna plain in India is an alluvial plain, true. 22 number, the Huang Ho plain in North China is a structural constructional plain, false. 23 number, the Kashmir Valley of India is a lacustrine plateau, true. 24 number, the water mass surrounded by land from three sides is called Gulf, true. 25 number, the narrow strip of water collecting two large water masses is called strait, for true. 26 number, the narrow strip of land separating two large water masses is called a cape, false. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 मैचिंग है आपका। नंबर 1 हिमालय का जाएगा फिफ्थ, फुल माउंटेन। सेकेंड है सतपुड़ा, उसका जाएगा फोर्थ। ब्लॉक माउंटेन थर्ड है अरावली, तो उसका जाएगा सेकेंड रेसिडुअल माउंटेन। और फोर्थ है पावागढ़, जिसका जाएगा फर्स्ट वॉल्केनिक माउंटेन। आपका फर्स्ट का जाएगा आपका सेकेंड रेसिडुअल माउंटेन, सेकेंड का जाएगा आपका फर्स्ट ब्लॉक माउंटेन, और थर्ड का जाएगा आपका फिफ्थ वॉल्केनिक माउंटेन, और फोर्थ का जाएगा आपका सेकेंड रेसिडुअल माउंटेन। फर्स्ट रॉकी का आपका जाएगा फिफ्थ रेसिडुअल माउंटेन, होस्ट का आपका जाएगा सेकेंड फुल माउंटेन, गिरनार का आपका जाएगा वन वॉल्केनिक माउंटेन, सेकेंड का आपका जाएगा फोर्थ ब्लॉक माउंटेन, और थर्ड का आपका जाएगा वॉल्केनिक माउंटेन, फोर्थ का जाएगा राजमहल का आपका जाएगा यानी रेसिडुअल माउंटेन। तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, रिकॉग्नाइज मी। नंबर 1, आई एम सराउंडेड बाय लैंड from three side gulf. Second number, my end extend out into sea up to a certain extent cap. Third number, I am known as an island, a land piece surrounded by water from three side. Fourth number, I connect two water area straight. Fifth number, I have sea on my three sides and land on my side. Peninsula. Question number 6, answer the following question in one or two sentences. Number 1, which factor contribute to the formation of landform? Tectonic factor like earthquake, volcano, tsunami, and external factor like river, wind, glacier, sea waves, etc. contribute to the formation of the landforms. Second number, which are the main characteristics to identify landforms? There are three main characteristics to identify landforms. First, specific height. Second, slope, and third है आपका specific shape. Third number, what are the main types of mountain? तो इसका आपका जाएगा there are three main types of landforms: mountain, plateau, plain. Next number 4 number, what is meant by a block mountain? Give an example. Pulling force is applied on the surface of the earth, then cracks are formed as a result. Its surrounding area is submerged and central part remains stable. It is a block mountain. Example: Harz mountain of Germany. Fifth number, what is the means by a volcanic mountain? Give an example. When a volcanic eruption takes place, dust, particles as rocks, pebbles, and hot lava, and thrown out, a collisional hill is formed from these material. It is known as volcanic mountain. Example: Fujiyama of Japan, Vesuvius of Italy, Baran Pavagar Girnar extra of India. Sixth number, what is meant by a Piedmont plateau? Give an example. Land for having straight slope on one side in a foothill region of a mountain is called Piedmont plateau. Example: Patagonia of South America, Malwa Plateau of India. Seven number, what is meant by a continental plateau? Give an example. A land area which is suddenly uplifted due to the tectonic movements is called a continental plateau. Example: the plateau of Arabistan. 18 number, state the types of a plateau. Intermountain, Piedmont, and continental are the three types of plateau. What is meant by an erosional plain? Give an example. The plain which is formed due to the factor of erosional work of mountain, plateau, river, vein, glacier, etc. is called erosional plateau. The plain of western Siberia. फ्रेंड्स यहाँ पे आप थोड़ा ध्यान रखिएगा, यहाँ पे जो आपका ये है, यहाँ पे आपका इरोजनल प्लेन, दी प्लेन ऑफ वेस्टर्न, ये आपका साइबेरिया है, SEBIRA, साइबेरिया. सो 10 number, what is meant by a devotional plain? Give an example. The river, glacier, and wind transport alluvium from one place to another, and it is deposited in the lower. ये आपका lower है, ये आपका lower है, इधर भी आप ध्यान रखिएगा. देखिए ये आपका क्या है, लोअर. सो ये देखिए ये रहा आपका लोअर, LOWER. फिर आपका लोअर रीजन ऑफ ए लैक और ए सी. एग्जाम्पल: द गंगा यमुना प्लेन, इंडिया. नंबर 11, व्हाट इज मीन बाय ए बे? गिव एन एग्जाम्पल. Bay means a partial part of the water body of an ocean. It holds a large like shape around a landmass. Example: the Bay of Bengal. 12 number, what is meant by a gulf? Give an example. A large water mass which is surrounded by landmass on its three sides is called a gulf. Example: the Gulf of Khambat, Gulf of Kutch. 13 number, what is called a landform? Landforms are recognized by various names like mountain, plateau, plain, etc. according to the height of the region. Question number 7, explain the following terms. Number 1, cap. Cap is a perpendicular end of land that extend into the water body. Second number, island. A piece of land that is surrounded by water from all four sides is known as island. Third number, valley. Low-lying region among the mountain range at the time of formation of fall mountain and block mountain erosion as a result valley are created. Fourth number, strait. A narrow piece of sea that joins two larger water area is called a strait. Fifth number, isthmus. A narrow piece of land which separates two water areas is called isthmus. Sixth number, peninsula. A piece of land which is surrounded by sea from three sides and connected with land one is called a peninsula. Question number 8, what answer the following question briefly. Number 1, what is meant by a mountain? What are its main types? A mountain is that land area which has about 900 meter or more height above sea level. Its terrain is mostly undulating and it has narrow summits. On the basis of the process of formation, there are four types of mountain. First, fold mountain. Second, block mountain. Third, volcanic mountain. Fourth, residual mountain. Second number, state the difference between a mountain and a plateau. A mountain is that area which has 900 meter or more height above sea level with gentle or abrupt slope. A plateau is land area generally with higher than a 180 meter but lower than 900 meter above the sea level and has प्रोपोर्स। देखिए यहाँ पे आपका है proportionally wide flat land at its top. 13 number, why are the mountain different from one another? Mountain are formed due to the action, counteraction and interaction of natural physically factor in the interior of the earth. The impact of one, देखिए ये आपका है इम्पैक्ट, ई आपका थोड़ा कट गया है, इम्पैक्ट यानी EMPACT, ठीक है, ये रहा आपका इम्पैक्ट। Impact of one or more action and process is seen in the origin and development of mountain। ये आपका डेवलपमेंट है, DEVELOPMENT। Four number, how are plain form explained? The flat land with less than 180 meter height from sea level is known as plain. Most of the plain of the world is formed by the alluvium soil depositional by river. Besides, some plains are also formed by wind, volcanic and glacial. Fifth number, what is called a residual mountain? Give an example. Residues means left over. In general, sometimes deep and long valley are formed on level land at higher altitude due to the erosional work of natural factor. The remnant higher area around those valley remains as a higher land and that is known as residual mountain. Example, Aravali, Parsnath, Rajmahal, Earthen Ghats, extra in India. Question number 9, what is a short notes? राइट, सॉरी आपका भूल से मेरे से मिस्टेक हो गई, राइट द शॉर्ट नोट्स है। नंबर 1, ब्लॉक माउंटेन ड्यू टू दी diatrophism, the tensional forces are created and faults developed in the rock strata. The area is between two faults is raised or the central part of main stable and surrounding area and submerged, so they remain high and land is block mountain. The horse mountain of Germany is considered it to be its best example. So the type of mountain is called horse mountain. Nilgiri, Satpura, Vindhya, extra of India are block mountain. Second number, importance of mountain. The importance of plateau is as follows. Number 1, cotton grows best in the plateau formed by the fertile lava soil. Second number, precious mineral like iron, magnesium, gold, extra are obtained from the ancient solid rock of the plateau. Example, Chota Nagpur plateau of India. Third number, sloppy grassland of the plateau are suitable for cattle rearing. Some plateau are very favorable by tourism and film industry. लास्ट नंबर है आपका थर्ड नंबर, वन नंबर फॉर थर्ड नंबर है आपका इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ अ प्लेन. नंबर 1, fertile plain are favorable for human habitat in many ways. Some economic activities like agriculture, trade and industries develop here. Second, due to the even surface road and are more developed here. Third number, densely populated largely cities have developed in the plains. Fourth number, fertile soil is useful for agriculture. Produce some of the agro products provide raw material to some agro industry. इसी के साथ आपका ये पूरा चैप्टर फिनिश होता है। अगर आपको हमारी वीडियो अच्छा लगा इसे लाइक सब्सक्राइब वीडियो में जय जवान।